Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary, a heaven for avian biodiversity. Join me as we unravel the diverse tapestry of bird life that graces this pristine sanctuary. Bhigwan's mudflats and shallow waters attract an array of migratory as well as resident birds. Keep an eye out for the multiple species of birds gracefully foraging along the water's edge. Gliding majestically, Bhigwan is also home to a variety of raptors. Keep an eye out for the osprey or the Brahmani kite, showcasing their impressive hunting prowess. The skies here are truly alive with the spirit of the wild. Bhigwan is a preferred nesting site for both the spot-billed and the painted stork. Watch as they soar through the skies, showcasing their impressive wingspan, or wade through muddy waters searching for their daily food. The distinctive Eurasian spoonbill, with its unique spoon-shaped bill, adds a touch of charm to the sanctuary. As we cast our eyes to the far-away grasslands, we are treated to the spectacular sight of bar-headed geese. These high-altitude migrants find refuge in Bhigwan during the winter, showcasing their remarkable long-distance journeys across the Himalayas. Bhigwan is a heaven for the majestic bird's eye, greater flamingos, providing a perfect backdrop for their graceful wading and filter-feeding displays. Watch closely, and you might witness the fascinating courtship displays as these social birds engage in synchronized movements and vocalizations. As the sun bids adieu over Bhigwan Bird Sanctuary, our first part of exploration of this avian heaven with the water birds comes to a close. See you in the next episode where we cover land birds.